Sometimes the quantity of stock you have physically may be different from what was recorded in the system. This can happen due to damaged items, stock losses, counting errors, or even when additional stock is discovered during a stock count. To adjust the stock, go to inventory and the product. Open the product you want to update. See this. And here I have adjust stock and I have adjust cost. Adjust stock changes the quantity of items you have in stock, while adjust cost changes the cost price of those items. These are separate functions designed to keep both your inventory quantities and product cost accurate. So I'll say adjust cost and I have increase stock and decrease stock. So let me say decrease stock. I have here bad or damaged. Then cost price, quantity 3, and remark I'll say bad, then decrease. Now I have 97 here before and now I have 94. The stock has been updated and now I have 3 bad Coca-Cola.